Hi everyone, so today let's talk about why popular literature crosses age boundaries. So, have you ever noticed how the same books can be loved by kids, teens, and even adults? So, popular literature often has simple but powerful stories that everyone can connect with. So, for example, fantasy books, romance stories, or even graphic novels that talks about friendship, love, courage, and adventure. So, these are things people of all ages can relate to, especially love. So, another reason is that the language is usually easy to understand, so younger readers can enjoy it. But the themes are meaningful enough for older readers. So, that's why books like Harry Potter's, The Little Prince, or even comics are read by so many different age groups. So, in the end, popular literature crosses age boundaries because it brings us together through shared stories and feelings. No matter how old we are, we can still laugh, cry, and imagine through the same books. So that is the power of stories. Thank you.